I've just painted the frame and the seat in a Stynylrez res, the darker gray. Since the body's going to be painted in gloss black, I wanted the frame and the seat to stand out a little bit differently. So what I'm planning to do is paint them with a Craft Folk Art wrought iron. It comes out sort of a dark green if you put it over a light base. If you put it over a darker primer, darker base, it comes out close to black but a greenish tint. So I'm going to try that on the frame and on the seat, and hopefully that'll contrast with the gloss black on the body. Well, I'm back. I painted the seat with the wrought iron, and over the gray primer it came out a little bit more green than I wanted for the frame. I think I'll leave the seat as it is. So I repainted the frame in the Stynylrez black primer. I'm not sure whether I'll paint it with gunmetal or try the wrought iron again over the black, or just leave it black. I'll find out tomorrow. Okay, I'm back. So the seat was painted with the light gray primer and then the wrought iron, which gives it a sort of a dark black with a greenish tint. The frame I painted again with the black primer, and then I went over with the wrought iron. So it looks black, but it's really hard to see here, but it's got a bit of a greenish tint to the black. So hopefully that'll contrast with the black body. I've got a couple of more sub-assemblies done. The steering and the bell housing assembly here. Get these out of the way. And I've got that put together, and the clutch pedal painted black, and the black wash on the gas pedal. And I've got the engine put together, except for the heads and the headers. Get all that on. I've got the clear oil pan on, and you can actually turn, I guess this will be closed over into the bell housing. If I turn this, you can probably see the camshaft turning, crankshaft. Keep calling it the wrong thing. Anyways, that's done, and I've got the headers drilled out and painted flat black on the ends. I'm going to try and put some heat staining on them. That one there and this one. Let me get them here where I can see them. So that's where I'm at now, and I've also got the steering assembly together over here. So I guess the next thing is to paint the body. It's clear. I'm going to try painting it in flat black on the inside of the plastic. See if that'll turn out okay.